welcome again. So I've done something a little bit different today. I decided to rock this unit for 3 weeks and see how it is. Now I've never used this unit before. This is Bella Lace synthetic, and it is actually a 30-inch wig, which it was just far too long for me, and I just cut it. I think this might be maybe like a 14-inch or maybe even 16-inch. So I just cut it. It was just too long for me, very long. So I cut it. Um, but yeah, it's really good, very good quality. But they've got so much different colors, guys. So much different colors. It's like I can't keep up. There's so many different colors. Like there's like pink. There's like all sorts of different colors. You have to. I'll leave the link down below and just click and see all the different colors. Um, I am gonna get this in a black because I think since it kept so good, I'm gonna get this in a black. Obviously, this is this color I do find is quite a bit bright for my complexion. But I had a bad experience, guys. I literally bought something from this company. The picture looked immaculate. It looked like, oh yeah, really nice unit. When the unit came, it looked nothing like it. So I had to get like half of my money refunded. So this was just like a backup that I needed at the time. And I tell you, it was expensive. Like that's what I'm saying. These synthetic hair, man, it's just the prices are getting a bit too much for synthetic. But yes, I think they were kind of like a scammer because they made the picture look so nice and it looked nothing like it. What I mean, nothing like it. I'll actually put it up and show you guys the difference between it, but it was awful. But anyway, so I got this as a backup because I was trying to find the color, the closest color to the unit, and I couldn't find it. So this was the closest color. So yes, this is kind of not the color that I would normally wear, but the quality of it is very good considering it's 3 weeks. Um, it's really good. Like the texture and everything, it's so good. Um, and that's what I do find. I do find with synthetic hair, once it's curly, it's really good to maintain. When it's straight, it's just as I always say. But yes, I just wanted to show you guys about this hair, and it's really nice. This is Bella lace fronts, and there's so much different colors, like so much. Even I'm happy with even the lace. It's really nice as well. The only thing, you don't get any baby hairs, you have to do that yourself. But yeah, it's nice. And 30 inch, 30 inch, it was so long. So if you like it long, go for it. But I think I should have left it a tiny bit longer. But yes, yeah, it's just nice. The contrast is very nice. But like I said, this is not the color that I would normally go for. But I guess it's alright to rock it in the summer. But this is not summer. We're actually in autumn, so it's quite a bright color for the autumn. But yes, guys, I just wanted to quickly share this review on the hair. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, and I cut the back really short and then left the sides quite long. But yeah, it is very nice, the texture and everything. But yeah, there's loads, like loads, maybe about 20 different units on there. 20 different units. I think there was one where it's like blue, purple, and then dark purple. It goes all the way down like a contrast. That was nice. And then they had I think it was like slightly blue, pink going down, and then there's like all pink, and then there's just loads of different colors. But definitely, I will definitely use them again, and I want it on all black 1B or color one. Yes, I think that would look even nicer. So that is it for my review, guys. Please comment down below if you used them before. If you're thinking about using them, go for it because it's really nice and it's thick as well. It's nice and thick. Like considering this has been 3 weeks, it's still thick. It didn't like go like some curly hair, like it'll just go really thin and quite fine. But this is really thick, and I still like the fact that I still got thickness in it, and it's very thick. You can even comb it. Sometimes I do brush it out a bit, and it goes like proper thicker. But then I have to put a bit of product to just calm it down a little bit. But yes, so you can see the difference between that and this one. Like with this one, I've put my hands through it 3 weeks, and this is still like this. Yeah, you see the two difference. But yeah, it's really good. So yes, guys, please, oh, please, 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 like and subscribe and leave your comments down below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.